Hello my fae, welcome to Mise Moment, and today I'm going to share with you how to create this amazing ponytails, and it's so sleek, so nice, so you can look super professional. And whenever you have a dramatic makeup, whenever you pull your hair up, it always looks so nice. And so if you want to know how I create this look, keep watching because I'm going to show you in detail of how to do this. So the first products I'm going to use, I'm going to comb my hair so I can have all the loose hair there is. And my hair is pretty staticky because of the cold weather. And I did put a hair mask yesterday when I washed my hair, but it's just really tangly and also staticky. So the products that I'm using, I'm not sure what this is called, but this is a serums for hair, and I bought it at stylekorean.com, and I'm just going to apply all over my hair to reduce all the staticky. And it's also going to make my hair smell super nice and so good. And it's going to help my hair look healthy but not overly shiny. And I'm going to target toward my root, and then I'm going to target at the end of my hair like this. And I'm just basically comb through my hand, and I'm going to use a comb to brush it through so it's targeting all. And I can hear it so staticky right now. But once I apply this products on, I know it will not be staticky anymore. And then I'm going to flip to the other side so it can at least target all the string of hair. And now it's straight and nice. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use this hair tie by Goody, and it is for medium hair. That's how much I have. And I'm going to basically trying to tie it up as high as I could. I like it to be high. And so I'm going to brush through again like this, because I'm going to have creating a high ponytail. And I'm using this kind of comb to actually target every string of hair there is. And I'm just going to tie it in a high ponytail. And I like a really high ponytail all the way up here. And I'm gonna comb my hair again. And then I'm pushing it up gradually. And I'm gonna comb it up here. I'm going to try to do it as tight as possible. And so I'm going to tie it up all the way up here. And I'm going to divide my hair evenly. So like this. And then I'm going to use this. This is the Eco Styling Gel, and I got this from Target. And I'm going to use this kind of brushes, getting at the end, and then I'm just brushing it down like this, because I want to target every baby hair to sleek back. What I love about this product, it won't be flaky at the end of the day. And then as you can see, everything is pushed back, and I'm gonna comb it upward. And I'm gonna comb this side like that. And don't forget the bottom part of this too, because we want the back to be perfect also. So apply some, and then you're going to brush it up like this. And then you're just gonna come through. So right now that is like not perfect. So I'm gonna take it out and then going to tie it again. So I'm brushing it upward. And I'm going to tie it again, like this. And then you're gonna tie it like this. And then I'm gonna, since I have a little baby hair, I'm going to apply just on top like this. And then I'm gonna brush it downward. And then I'm gonna brush my hair evenly right here. And then I'm going to get a setting spray because gel won't do much work. So I'm using this hairspray, and that's what I have right now. And this is number 4, Firm Control. So that will be highest for this kind of setting spray. And then what I'm going to do is, instead of spraying all over my head right here, I'm going to spray it on my comb. And then I'm going to brush it backward one more time. What I love about this bristle right here is it's like double layer, and you can see that is like the comb is also within the inside, so it's targeting every string. And then I'm going to brush it through like that. And then I'm also going to do it from the back, because you can see that some of my baby hair is just going crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it up. And I'm going to apply it again. Then I'm going to brush it. So I have a little bump right here. What I'm going to do, instead of I'm taking this part out, I'm going to grab another hair tie, and I'm going to push everything up one more time. And I'm going to grab my hair and tie it on top of it. And this time just try to target closer to your headline. And I'm going to take this out and apply it again. So right now I have 2 hair tie, and this is going to give me a volume. So right here. And that's it. I like to try to hide this headband. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a section from the back here, and I'm going to braid it in 3 string. Like this. I'm going to divide 3 evenly, and I'm just going to braid it. Like that. I don't have a hair tie, so what I'm going to do is once I loop it, I'm just going to use a bobby pin to actually attach it. So I'm going to tightly wrap around. And then secure it with bobby pin. So the technique of how to secure with a bobby pin to stay, instead of you going to push it like this, the flat side in, you're gonna put in the rough side in. So like this. The rough side should go in first and then secure. Do the same thing to the other, and I'm trying to have 4 in each direction. And I'm just grabbing it and push it through. I'm just grabbing it and push it through. Just grabbing it and push it through like that. Okay. And since my hair is like sticking up like crazy, I'm going to put hairspray and then I'm going to brush it downward. And I'm going to brush it out. And I'm going to put hairspray on my hair like this, so it can stay. And I'm just brushing it backward one more time. Like this. And I'm going to brush through. And you can curl or straighten your hairs if you like, but just for now, I have to go because I do have an event to attend and I am going to help out. So that's why it's easier for me just to pull my hair up so my hair would not get all tangled up or crazy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn something of this video. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumb up, click subscribe, and ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.